Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Pamar.
Good afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. Patel. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me today.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Thompson. Of course, we're concerned about what's been happening with Ronnie.
Yes, and thank you for meeting with us. We are eager to hear your thoughts.
Of course. Please have a seat. I wanted to discuss Ronnie's behavior in class with you.
Yes, we have noticed he's been acting out a bit lately. What's been going on?
Ronnie is a bright and energetic student, but lately, he's been engaging in some mischievous behavior in class. He's been disrupting lessons, distracting his classmates, and not following classroom rules as consistently as we would like.
We are sorry to hear that. We will address this with him at home.
I appreciate that. It's crucial for us to work together to support Ronnie in understanding the importance of respectful behavior in the classroom. Have you noticed any triggers or patterns for his misbehavior at home?
Well, he tends to act out more when he's bored or when he's seeking attention.
That's helpful to know. In class, I've been implementing strategies to keep him focused and redirect his energy in more constructive ways. However, your reinforcement at home would greatly complement these efforts.
Absolutely. We'll make sure to have a conversation with him about the importance of behaving appropriately at school and at home.
Great. I will also keep you updated on his progress and any improvements we see in his behavior.
Yes, definitely. We want to do whatever we can to help Ronnie succeed.
Thank you, Mrs. Thompson, for bringing this to our attention. We appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel.